Welcome to my metal detecting video, finally. This was my, my third trip to the fourth field on my new permission. Try saying that with your teeth in. I hope you enjoy it, and if you're not subscribed, consider giving us a sub. And maybe hit the like button if you like it. If you don't have to. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Here we go.
Well, I'm here in the field, woohoo, and it's raining, boo, but I don't care. I'm gonna crack on. I would do a certain part of the field, but Tommy's just covering some up. But I'm just gonna get on. Right, moving to the field. Right, first signal. Big piece of lead. I'm moving on. Battering it down, by the way. It's still raining. Well, out of that hole, about 6 inches down, came a lump of lead. It's like an interesting lump of lead, though. Yeah, it's got markings on it. Let me just clean it up. I'll show you if there's anything interesting. Oh, nah, it's just a piece of lead with a couple of holes in it. Probably used as a balance or something off something. Anyway, moving on in this lovely rainstorm. And you might be able to see it. It's this little baby, and this looks nice. That is probably a Neo stop button. Could be a buckle, could be a hat, buckle, who knows. Let me clean it up and I'll show you. Oh, that's nice. That is a lovely buckle. Look at that. I don't know. 17th, 18th century, maybe. I think they were popular about mid-1700s, I don't know. But yeah, could be like a knee or stock trouser button, or a buckle, shut up, or a hat buckle. Or, I don't know, oh, it's got that bend. Is it a shoe buckle? Kiddie shoe buckle, I don't know. Anyway, I shall probably put what it is here, around across the bottom. There you go, that's what it is, that's what it was from. Anyway, love it. Oh, this is fun. That was a banging solid 69 on the AT Max. Yeah, but both ways. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know that. It's still raining and my feet are a bit wet, but anyway, moving on. Out of that hole came that bloody thing. Big, it's like Nessie, isn't it? It's the Loch Ness Monster in lead form. I'm in the corner of the field pretending I have a mythical creature in my hand made of lead. What am I doing? That must be crackers. Anyway, it's stopped raining. It's windy though, it's still windy, so apologies for any wind. But yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Nessie. I don't know if that's a theme tune to Nessie, but anyway, moving on. Well, out of that hole, and believe me, it was awkward to find, is this, and I don't know what it is. Let me take it out together. It's it's a thing. Well, it might be part of a thing. Let me just give it a quick clean up and I'll show you again. Obviously, that's the idea. Well, whatever that is, it is a beautiful example. Anybody know what that is? I mean, it's lovely. Look, it's cast. You can see. Is it a watch chain end thing, or oh, do let me know if you know. I quite like that. If I do find out what it is, I'll put it along the bottom there. Yeah, otherwise, I love that. That is lovely. Liking it. See? Bit of rain doesn't stop us, does it? Yes! What a beautiful little thing that is. A thing of beauty. Anyway, moving on. Well, out of that signal, I've done it again, out of that hole, and it's raining again, by the way, came that. Look, it's another one. I think it's another one of them, well, it might be another one of those, I don't know actually. It's a spoon handle anyway. I don't think it's one of those portrait ones this time though. I don't know though. I'll give it a quick brush up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's another one of those portrait spoons. This is bronze this time, I think. But I can't see who that is. Could be Trump for all I know. Anyway, oh, that's nice, isn't it? Another one. Moving on. I'd rather call it the portrait spoon field than the lead field. Well, you know the score. There's the hole. There's the find. Just finally came out. I don't know what it is. I think it's a button. Yeah, feels like a button. And it is a button. Oh, it's got some writing on the back. Oh, I might be able to get some off that. I won't clean it up now though. It's only a little cuff button or something. But yeah, I might get some off that when I clean it up properly at home. Anyway, woohoo! Moving on! Hey! Well, this was a bugger, weren't you? Oh dear. It was all over the place, but it was sort of settling late 80s, early 90s, and I thought, oh, that's pretty good. No, it's not. It's a crappy aluminium shot cup or something, I don't know. Bloody hell. Anyway, moving on. Oh yeah, and yes, I did check. It's empty. Oh, boom. That hole there is probably the smallest button I have found ever. Look at that. How tiny that is. Good grief. It's a teeny one. Teeny tiny. Probably, I don't know, kitty's clothes button or something. Might have a little bit of something on it, I don't know. Yeah, it's just the way where it's corroded. Oh well. There we are then. Moving on. Well, the next signal out of that hole, it's quite long, gold looking. Yeah, tube, split tube. Tube! Lovely signal that. Oh, I tell you. You can imagine, can't you? Anyway, yeah, bloody tubes. Moving on! Well, this looks a little bit more interesting. Out of there, probably, it wasn't, well, I'll say out of there. It was just in the about, well, you can see how deep it was, 3 or 4 inch. There it is. There it is in situ. Let's get it out and have a look. Don't know what it is. It's not a button, that's more like a little tie-off point on something. Nothing special, but hey, it's alright, isn't it? Ooh, is it? It does look a lot like caterpillar armour. It's probably full of dirt. Yeah, that's what it is. It's the helmet from caterpillar armour. Yeah, they were involved as well. Oh, it was a terrible time. The mouse wars. Everybody was involved. Crickets, shrews. I have no idea what that is, but there you go. Next signal. Anyway, moving on. Hey. Well, the wind's dying down-ish, and the rain's stopped now. But yeah, I'm having a great time. Yeah. Who needs sunshine? Be nice though, wouldn't it? Look at them clouds. Oh dear. On to the next. Well, sorry about the wind. The next signal, out of there, probably about 8 inches down. Here's one of them. Do you know what one of them is? Do you know what that is? Quite heavy, brass. Called ox knobs. They used to stick them on the tips of bull horns to stop them getting tangled up in stuff, and to stop them hurting the farm workers. There you go. And I'd run them for ages. I love them. Ooh, a nice ox knob. Can't be a good knob. Hey, anyway, moving on. Hey. Well, it stopped raining and not so windy, although you can probably hear it. Whoosh, whoosh. Next signal is that. It's a little bit of spoon handle. I think it's a little bit of spoon handle anyway. Oh, sorry for the wind. Yeah, there you go. A little bit of spoon handle. Whoa! Or is it? Is it a bludgeon from the Great Mouse Wars? No, it's just a bit of spoon handle, I think. Anyway, moving on. Bloody wind. Well, I was going to make this my last. Sorry, shading you through the wind. Oh no. I was going to make this my last signal. Last signal, last hole, last whatever it is. And I might do actually. Oh, I've only just turned, sort of split the clod. I hope this is what I think it is. Ooh, do you want to see? Of course you do. Right, I'll show you. Okay, that's how the clod came out. And I pinpointed it to there. So I opened it up. And look, is it? Is that what I think it is? I think it bloody is. Is that a spectacle buckle? Ooh. It only bloody is, isn't it? Oh, excellent. Oh, it might be a little bit fancy. Right, give me a second and I'll give it a light brushing. Brilliant. It only bloody is, you know, look at that. And I think, although I can't be certain, it's got silver on it. I'm sure it has. Blimey heck. If it has, that's a cracker. I'll show you more when I get home. But oh, that's a lovely one, that. Apologies for the wind, because I can hear it, I can feel it around my head. Wow, lovely. Yes, anyway. Woohoo, beauty. I mean, it's a bit battered, but that's a spectacle buckle all day long. Hee blooming old. That's quite an old one, that. And it's got, I think it's got silver in it. I'll give it a better clean when we get home. I don't want to clean it too much. And we'll see what the flow says. Anyway, hey, moving on. Maybe to the car. I might find something on the way there. Right, so the last signal, very last signal of the afternoon out of that hole is not there. It's in my hand, hey, and it's a little button, knackered. That is a knackered little button, but it's the last. Last signal of the day. So yeah, that was absolutely brilliant. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And if you got this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching anyway. If you haven't got this far, well, you're not going to see this, are you? So you won't know I thanked you. But anyway, you know, that's a bit confusing, and you probably can't hear that because of the wind. Let me go around here. That might be better. I've just nailed on my detector. So yeah. So this button is a nice segue into, it's not a segue actually, it's a button, into wishing you all the best on your next. Hope you have a great day. I certainly did. Not too bad. A spectacle buckle. That little thing, some bits, no coins, boo, oops, boo, but you know, yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. I didn't mind the rain, I didn't mind the wind, I just had a bloody good day. So what do I normally say at the end of these? I don't know. Oh yeah, take care, stay safe, don't forget to wear gloves, fill in your holes, and most importantly, have fun. And I will catch you on the next metal detecting video. Obviously I do my daily videos, so I'll catch you on them as well, if you watch them. If you don't, never mind. And if you do like this, please take a look at my playlists, metal detecting and lockdown nonsense. And I've also got a Facebook page, which you are group, which you're more than happy to join. It's I'm more than happy for you to join, Shillinking Metal Detector UK. Blimey, this is a long outro. Shall I shut up and just say, moving to the car? Cheers, folks. See you when I see ya.